Installing a seamless floor requires skill. We had the privilege of observing the professionals at Malerfaktur during their work. You too can benefit from their years of experience and follow each step to achieve the perfect result. All adjacent walls are covered with foil. To prevent sound bridges, self-adhesive edge insulation strips should be applied. The joint between the edge insulation strip and the floor is sealed with acrylic sealant. If there are cracks in the screed or if expansion joints have closed up, they can be reopened using the DSC AG125FH. To permanently stabilize the cracks, wave connectors are placed into the grooves and then sealed with resin. If a two-component resin is being used, this is mixed using the MX1000 600 halves mixer and the CS2 mixer paddle. The mixed resin is then poured into the cracks or applied with a roller. The fiberglass fabric is laid and quartz sand is sprinkled on top. After drying, both the resin-sealed areas and any further unevenness in the screed should be removed. The RG130 renovation grinder with the DIA abrasive grinding disc quickly and effortlessly removes these. Tip: cleanly mill surfaces up to the edges. The connection profiles are cut to size with the AGC 18-angle grinder and embedded as expansion joints. Care must be taken to ensure precision so that the liquid flooring material does not seep through later, resulting in a hole in the finished floor. To ensure optimal adhesion of the floor material, the entire screed is primed and sprinkled with quartz sand. Once dry, the dried sand must be removed. Next, all required components are mixed into a homogeneous mass using the MX1000 600 halves mixer and the HS3R mixing paddle. Tip: to reduce dust when pouring the powder, it is recommended to attach the MXA extraction system to the mixing bucket. The floor material is then poured onto the substrate and evenly distributed using a smoothing rake. To achieve the effect of Pandomo Floor Plus, as shown in this example, hard-grained sand is sprinkled onto the still fresh floor material. After the floor is dried, any closed-up expansion joints are reopened using the DSC AG125 diamond cutting system and a guide rail. Tip: for longer expansion joints, several guide rails can easily be extended to the required length using the FSV divided by 2 connector. The entire floor surface is now sanded. Large surfaces are best handled with a trio disc sander. For smaller areas, stairs, or edges, the Rotex 150 with Granat abrasive, Grit 100 is suitable. In corners or hard-to-reach areas, the Rotex 90 with Granat abrasive, Grit 100 is recommended. The color enhancer is applied using a lamb's wool cloth. Once absorbed, the surface is sealed with a 2 kelvins PU sealant to protect against dirt.